If you aren't utilizing grids and frames for your YouTube channel, you might be missing out on a great Canva feature. Grids are placeholders for up to 12 colors, images, or videos. You can find them in the Elements tab. Type grid into the search bar or scroll down to find the configurations that Canva has to offer. You can size these grids to be any size you want. You will notice that there is a space between the panel placeholders. You can change how much shows behind it from 0 to 100. Let's look at a 5-panel grid so I can show you why I love using them for designs. I like to shrink them down and create a color palette. This was especially helpful when I didn't have Canva Pro, but Canva Pro saves me so much time as a content creator, it's worth the money for me. If you've never tried it out, it's a game changer. Let me know if you want a free trial from Canva so I can give you an affiliate link to give it a try. Tap each panel and then the color box at the top. You can add any color combination you want. The best part is that now all of the colors are in the document, so you can add a page and create a design using all of the colors from the grid. You can apply the colors to any of the grids or frames. It doesn't need to be the 5-panel grid like this, but it's just my preference to have more than 3 options. Have you ever found something that's beautiful and not been able to put it into a circle frame? It's probably because it's not actually considered an image or video. I've noticed that if the graphic is recolorable, it will not go in at all. And if it doesn't have the recolorable option, it might go in. Animations also won't go into a frame or grid. How else could you use grids or frames for YouTube? For grids, I like to use the 1-panel placeholder as an overlay for B-roll. The reason why I like to use a grid is because if I give it a transparency, it will maintain the same transparency as I swap out images, videos, or colors. How can you use frames for YouTube? I love to use the circle frame for bullet points, like I used in this YouTube community post. If you want to know exactly how I created this effect using frames, then check out the tutorial on your screen. If you like today's Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, make sure you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!